Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and it's been a really long time since I have sat down in front of a camera. I've just been really busy. Some things at work have totally changed. My schedule, I've gone from my 8-hour work days to 12 and a half, almost 13-hour days. So, and then also my schedule is Sunday through Wednesday now, with occasional other days as well. So it's getting a little bit hard for me to get my groove back. So I'm just trying to see how exactly I can do that. So I appreciate all of you who have been understanding and who have just been respectful in the matter. I will get my groove back, we'll say. Brandy will get her groove back, but I just, have a little bit of, have a little bit of growing stuff that I need to do, it's just need to figure out how I'm gonna do what I need to do and all that. So I am going to swatch the newest Divina shadows for you guys. So for my black base, I'm just going to use NYX, and this is the color black. So I'm just going to do 6. We'll start it here. So I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to do the Divina, the collection that just came out at the, let's see what it was, the middle of June. Okay, so it was the Halo Moon collection. So these are all iridescent shades. They are super beautiful. So I'm excited for you guys to see. I will show you really quick this is my whole Divina except for these 2 shades. That's my whole Divina collection. You can just see how beautiful it is. And the new shades are the ones here in the bottom. So I am going to turn down one of these lights just so we can see what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. So first we have Essie, and I'm going to see if I can get it to, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So you can see the shift. I'll go ahead and put it on there. You can see the shift there in the corner. Now I'm going to swatch it on top first, and then I'm going to swatch it over the black. Just so you can see what it does. So you can see the first one. All right. So you can see you have the top one has black, and the bottom one is the top one is the regular shadow, and the bottom one is over the black. Like different shifts in it too. So I don't know, you can see that it's like purple and pink, right? But if I turn it a little bit, it's also like an orange. Let's see if I can get that for you guys. Okay, so this is Marama. So we have, this has shifts of like a greenish, I don't know, I'm never any good at describing the colors. I would say it's like a greenish blue, maybe even yellow. And then when you have it over the black, it totally transforms the color. You can see that, it's gorgeous. It's cool because you can change a shadow by layering it over black, you can just change the total aesthetic of the shadow. So this is Aylin. Let's see if I can get it to shift for you guys. I'm not doing the best job of getting these to shift. And don't mind my nails. 2 of them came off today, so I'm just dealing with it. So when I'm looking at it straight on, kind of tilted a little bit, you can see, or I can see that it has different shades to it. So I'll go ahead and do that. It's almost like a pinky orange. So you can see the difference there. And that's Aylin. All right, so next, I have Zara, and Zara is another beautiful shadow. I mean, they're all beautiful. What can I say? They're all gorgeous. This one has kind of like an orange, like, look at that. It's so pretty. It has like an orange undertone. So you can kind of see. That looks really good right there. Okay. Next, I have, I think it's gonna be my favorite shade. We'll see. And this is Nakomis, and this has like a purple shift. This is what's on my lid over black. So I have that. And then we'll put it over the black just so you can see how magical it is. It's just so cool. Like, you can literally see how it totally just transforms. Look at my finger. And then the last one from this collection is Prometheus. And this one's just a little bit more flaky. And this is more of like a yellow. So when you put it over the black, it turns into like an electric green. Look at my finger. Isn't that nuts? Just absolutely crazy. So that is my Divina shadows that I just got in the mail. Aren't they gorgeous? And this is the Halo Moon collection. So, of course, you can get these on Divina Cosmetics, and you can pretty much, you know, do whatever you want with them. Put them over black. And then let's see, if I was to say like my favorite shade from Divina, the one that I use all the time, I don't know if I can just say one shade. Like, that's honestly super hard. I have, and Your Little Dog Too is really beautiful. I'm gonna just put it down here. And I'm pretty sure we can still get this. It is like a purple shimmery black. And it's like freaking gorgeous. Let's see, I have a couple other ones. Let's see, this one I use all the time, and this is I'm Just a Dandelion. So it looks like this. And I am constantly using this in looks I use it all the time, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I have a couple of her older shades, ones that have been around for years, and I still use them. You don't see a lot of these types of colors, and they're starting to come back again. But this is Livius, and this is silver, like a grayish silver. And it's actually one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite silvers, and it's so like different. It's not something that you see often, like really. I mean, it's like a grayish blue almost, and then it has like a little bit of gold like reflected there. So anyways, definitely you should check out some Divina shadows if you have not done so or before. So I would say definitely check out some Divina. Yeah. So that is pretty much it. All I have for you right now. If you have any questions, of course, hit me up down below. Ask me anything you want to ask. See if there's anything I could do for you, help you out with. I mean, with my crazy schedule, I still answer my messages. I still talk to all of you guys. Just have to ask me a question and I'll be able to talk to you. So thank you so much for always supporting me, and thank you so much for just being here. Please do me a favor and like the video, follow me on Instagram if you're not already. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please share me with your friends. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and have a great day. Bye.